these sidewalls. Oh! Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the second part of the video. Basically in the first video, we built these new stands, jacked the bike up and everything. In this next video, we're going to take off the tires, throw these new Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s. That's what they are. We're going to throw them on. I ran the Dunlop Q3 Pluses before. Decided to try out Pirelli, see how they go. Heard they were really sticky. First thing we're going to do is take off this main bolt on the back axle. And then unscrew that, take the wheel off, and then we're gonna move on to the front and take the front wheel off. And my friend, he's gonna pull up with like a manual tire replacement machine thing. I've never manually replaced my tires before on a bike, but if it's cool, if it works, I might, cause he's a stunt guy and he like goes through tires like burnouts, donuts, all like that, like crazy. He changes his tires like once a week basically, or like really often. So if it's that easy to manually change your tires, all you have to do is like balance them later. If it's easy, he's gonna show me how to do it and we're gonna do it. So let's see how it is. Let's take these tires off, deflate them, and get them ready for when he pulls up. Put the new Pirellis on, let's get it. Alright guys, now I got the axle out. All we have to do, like the wheel is loose now. Then we'll slide it forward a little bit. Pop the chain off, like that. And then separate the chain from the sprocket and the wheel, like this. And then we could just go ahead and slide the wheel. Make sure the brakes right here kind of carefully droop on the side. That's the wheel. Just so you guys see how bad it is. Look how much it was porting. Like, this is getting sus, but. Alright y'all, so the rear is off. Look at that. Boom, boom. Now the front. Take the front off a bike. You loosen these Allen pinch bolts on both sides. Boom, boom. And then you need a male socket, because on either side, as you can see right here and right here, to take out the axle, you need like a male socket that goes in there that you can unscrew the axle with. So I don't have that right now. I need to order one on Amazon, so yeah. The front wheel can't come off right now, that's a problem. But that's how it is when you're working on bikes and cars yourself. It's always a problem. Everything's always a problem. Alright, so I totally forgot we also need to take off the two bolts on either side that hold the brake calipers, because they hold the wheel too. That side's off. Wheel should just slide right out. There we go. And she is all disassembled, right? Alright, Levi, show us what you're doing here.
Alright, I just broke the bead on this side. So now we just
this thing, yeah, basically, how is that? You just break it like that, right? You let the air out.
Just like that right
break
there.
The bead, okay. And then kind of go around, or what?
Yep, exactly. Do both sides.
This thing, how much is one of these?
Like 65 bucks.
65 bucks, that's so worth it. And let me get you some soapy water, so.
Yeah.
Is that to put the new one on, right?
We'll both take it off too.
So. Alright, so we also got some Dawn dish soap to use as lubricant. And I put in a Gatorade bottle, and we're just gonna like spray it in there. New tires. These things are gonna be sticky, bro. These Pirellis.
Yeah, they're gonna suck to put on probably.
Look at that. So you have these like stick things, right? Tire chalks or whatever they're called.
Tire spoons.
Hopefully my wheels don't get scraped. I leave nice tire spoons, right?
Yeah.
That was pretty easy. On the other side, or what? Or just slide off, right?
Let's spray a little bit more.
And Camille is helping take off the front sprocket cover right now, and my rear sprocket's off. So, do you need help with that? I could do it.
No, I'm good.
Awesome. Is there 4 bolts or 3 or?
So far 4.
See,
I don't think there's
that
one on
little
this
cover
side.
right there. I'm just gonna show it real quick. Just 4 little bolts, and then it should come off. And then we just have to take the chain off. We have to just push a pin out, right?
Yeah.
Alright, and just like that, the wheel just pops off. And then you just have, the tire just pops off, and then the wheel is just right there. And then we're gonna slide the new one on. We just get it lubed up and muscle it on.
Exactly.
Oh, look at this. Yo, this thing is like dead. This tire has like nothing left. This could have blown at any time, bro.
Yeah, that's sketchy.
God, I was mobbing on this thing.
Oh. Oh, I was thinking the same thing. All right, brother.
We're gonna just like squirt it up with that lube stuff.
Squirt it everywhere.
Exactly.
Oh,
get it
so,
everywhere.
It's so fucking slippery.
Oh yeah. And then Leva's gonna just muscle that thing on. Put the bead back on. We should be good.
Oh, it's 5.
5? Apparently it's 5 bolts that hold that just little cover, and I don't know why. It's so the sprocket doesn't fly off.
Probably a good idea.
Here we
Ooh.
go. Alright. You want to hold that, brother?
Yeah, got you.
Watch out. Don't let her slip off.
The sidewalls are probably gnarly on these things.
Oh, she's almost there.
Almost. Can I just take this one out or no? It doesn't do anything.
Here. Put it right. Hold it right there. Because once I pry on this, it's going to want to move.
Oh yeah. Oh, just like that, guys. And that's how
There
you
we go.
mount a tire manually
Alright,
on
now
a
I'll
bike.
show you how to put it on the bead. How much tire pressure
And now
you
we're
want.
just gonna spray it with the cleaner, and then just slide it up, right?
No.
So we're gonna spray it with this throttle body cleaner all the way around the bead, and I'm gonna go, pah! That's how, I wanna do that.
We shouldn't need to.
You want to?
How much tire pressure you want?
30.
30.
Do 30 for now. Look at this thing. And the bead is just gonna pop right now. My sprocket injured Levi when he was taking it off, and when I was riding his dyno the other day, this is what how the exhaust did to me. So I guess we're kind of even, right? That's 30 already? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it to pop on the bead right there.
Oh yeah, right here it's set and right here it's not. Is it loud? These sidewalls. Oh! Yo! That was sick. That's crazy. But yeah, basically guys, that's how you manually mount your tires. All that's left to do now is just balance. I mean, for your bikes you don't really need a balance, but like for higher speeds it's good to balance. So you don't get like sketchy speed wobbles out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Pretty much that's it. We're just gonna do the front now, and sprockets are almost off pretty much, and finish all this up. Alright, so the cover is off. Oh, I need to clean that up too. And then now we have a big socket right here, and there's like a little pinch washer that's holding it. So we're just gonna take like a flathead and then hammer that flat, unscrew this nut, and then sprockets should come off, and then we're gonna take the chain off. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so Levi is putting on the fresh new Vortex. Let's do the old versus the new. Hold up. So this is the old one, looks like it's all beat up. I think this is OEM still, and then
Probably.
that's the fresh new one. Let's go.
Can I just make an observation? This is your bike, right?
Nah, it's my daddy's bike.
You have the cleanest hands out of all of us.
Do I?
Yeah, I think you do.
We got that on camera. Caught in 4K. That's true though. I have the cleanest hands so far. But yeah, so I undid that little pinch washer. Now we should be able to just take this thing off. Okay, so we can't really figure out how to use the chain tool.
That thing's all rusted, so I don't know.
The chain tool?
Probably, no, the chain.
The chain's all rusted. Yeah, the chain is gross, but I'm gonna figure that out later. Watch a couple of videos on how to. We found the master link. It's this one right here. Levi started doing it. It started pushing the pin out, but we might probably just cut it, but we don't have an angle grinder, so I'm just gonna figure this out later. We're just gonna do the tires right now. Front wheel. The front wheel should be way easier, right? Because it's smaller.
I don't know.
Or is it
I
about
never
the same?
changed my front wheel. My buddy changed his.
Yeah.
Hey, grab that. You're gonna want those spaces.
Uh-huh.
I think that's what you need, Anton.
Huh?
I think that's what you need. Yeah. Probably this.
Yeah, Alright guys,
Huh?
Levi and Camilla helped me do my tires. Thank you guys, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Look at that, last tire's on now. Now I can like be safe and ride with actual real tires and not bald tires. But the chain, I'm gonna figure it out later. That'll be like next part of this video, but for now it's way too hot. We got the tires on and I think that's it for today, right guys? Hopefully. But yeah guys, so basically, Levi and Camila, they just left because they were going out street riding and my bike's not really ready, but thanks, big shout out to them for helping me put these tires on. As you guys saw, I'm literally gonna get that little machine thing and now manually mount my tires from now on. All I have to do now is just break that chain, find that 27-inch socket and then take that off, and then everything should be done. Just throw the wheels back on. But I'm probably gonna bleed the brakes because they're pretty messed up too. But other than that, yeah, the chain sprocket, the wheels gotta go on, and I might let it, after I let the chain soak a little bit, I'm gonna try it again. But hopefully I can get this bike done tonight. So let's see. Peace.